I'm Steve from Arrowquip. We're here today with the team, my colleague Jared Evans, to give you a demonstration of how to install a weight platform into an EF alley section. So the first thing you do is to take your scale plates, which is this, and your load bar here, bolt this together, the load bar onto the scale plates to make your first assembly. And once you've got that assembly done, just lay it on the ground and then take your weight platform, sit it on top, and you'll see pre-punched holes. Just line up the holes, put in your 3/8 bolts, and your assembly is complete. Just one note I'd like to make, that this weight platform is designed specifically by Arrowquip to fit our EF sections, and we recommend you go with this because we've done it in such a way that it fits perfectly and there's no foot traps, which is very important. So now you come to your alley sections, your EF sections, and the first thing I recommend you do is take your blocker panels, which I've already got removed. I've done a little bit of prep work. I suggest you remove them so that it makes your alley section a little bit lighter and it makes this panel a bit easier to lift. So we'll proceed here. So the first thing you do is you disengage your pins. Now you pull your pin back, give it a quarter twist, and it locks like that. So Jared, he'll take one side, I'll take the other. So we'll disengage our pins, Jared. Now push your panel in, and to make things easier for yourself, just find a spot in between the locator holes, disengage your pin like that, and then step on here and lift. Just lift simultaneously so that it doesn't bind, and your latches will automatically lock on top of your locator plates. And so first panel is done and ready, and then proceed to the other side and complete the exact same step. So now both panels are lifted. You can see our large gap. We're ready for a weight platform installation. And you just grab it by the ends, but I want to recommend you wear gloves because the ends can be a bit sharp and I don't want you injuring yourself. So lift up both ends like this. Sit it on top of your frame. Just slide through like this. Now I'll go to the other side and pick up the off side. So your weight platform is now installed. It's not hooked up to the scale head, but we won't do that right now. Now you just go to your panels, and you can do this with 2 people or 1 people. Just to make a little note, if you keep your latches lubed up with WD-40, it's going to be a lot nicer. I've got this in top working conditions, so one guy could just take the rope, and your alley panel is set. You're ready for action. Just go to the other side now and repeat the same process. And that is installation complete. If you've got any questions, any difficulties, please be free to call Arrowquip toll free, and you can speak to client care. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions and help you out. Thank you for your time.